Achi we come taya pauping. Election Commission with team Akama Stately Ungzankidalay. All Manipur Christian Organization AMCO na Election Commissions of India le policy thaira. Chief Minister Nongthambam Biren Singh na aya awi nomination file sahaira. Lekhyang Tor, Achu the Tangkhul Express Wipao, Ringphawon Zimik na pamidalay, Achu Wipao may sa ina nganang rumsa. Manipur Assembly Polls Wibang ngaran ngaye sada khalayli, Ungyang Sangkhawai Election Commission with Team Akama Stately Ungzankida Leida, Manipur Chief Electoral Officer Rajesh Agrawal na hanga. Poll panel team China State Chief Secretary, DGB, CEO, State Police Nodal Officer, DG Assam Rifles, recognized national state political parties, district election officers, SPs, color enforcement agencies pingli Karajan Sakawai Gazip Ngohot Haidalay Chia. Election Wibang Chekching the Kalay State with Law and Order Kala Ot Tukukui Maramli CEO China Kahang Licensed Arms Later Kalewi 74.8% deposit Sahira Kala Cash Ari Arai Zam Sina Hikatha Zangda Audio Pungzat Papakasa Tukukui Luba 78 crore Kadawi Man Sis Sahira Chia. Central Armed Police Force with companies Hangpanga Stately Chihoung Haira. Arila companies Hangshini the Pangaka the Hapta Kanewe Alongli Ungzang Farada CEO China Hanga. Election polling Simsho Ngachemi Kawai All Manipur Christian Organization AMCO na Election Commission of India le policy thaira. Election phase Karewi polling Simsho Achawi Tarik Makada Shini hi Matang Ongta how the very shipping we Seha Gasa Kokrum Zimik na the polling Zimik chi Ngachemi lo Gaji Hangwa Kahaina. Acha Kajangla All Manipur Christian Organization Maram Hiwibang Manipur CEO le Memorandum Miwa Kahaina. AMCO President S. Prim Vaipaina Kahang ECI na polling Zimik Mangachemi Aka Atumna Maram hi Korli Kwiva Haura da Tahira. Hengang constituency with BJP candidate Sada Chief Minister Nongthambam Biren Singh na aya awi nomination file Sahira. Chief Minister Biren Singh na nomination file Sakhwai Imphal East District Returning Officer Office Li Khawali State BJP President A. Sharda Devi Langsowaya. Biren na awi paper file Sakahai Tili tweet Sada nominations file Sada Clay BJP candidates pingli best wishes la Mihaira. Achahon aina tang the candidates Chikona Atumi nominations file Sahira. Deputy Speaker Kongkham Robindro na Mayang Imphal constituency we na Sahira. Minister Thokchom Sadia Brada na Yai School seat we Wivang paper file Sahira. Congress we aina JDU li Vakahaya Kumukcham Joy Kisan la Thangmaiban constituency we na nomination file Sahira. Ukhrul District Timber Association with Phungvu Gathar Kapangsang Kahai Pingle Apam Mikasang Rani Akama Violent Ukhruli Kwika Kidat Lay. Ukhrul District Timber Association with Executive Council, Assembly Affairs, Kala Auditors, Kapangka Kahai Kala Later Kala Executive Psychorana Mashoila Razang Misirlo the Association Chinang Ngahodalay. Kazib Atamna Motor Pungtrada Akale Hapogra. Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Forward Bloc, RSP, Kala JDS, political parties Turukina Ngashikda, Sem Kahaya Prepol Alliance Chili, Manipur Progressive Secular Alliance, MPSA, Hohaira. Alliance Chiwi 18-point common agenda la Chitehaira. All India Congress Committee Election Observer Jairam Ramesh, Congress Legislature Party Leader O. Ipopi, Kala CPI National Executive Member Dr. M. Nara, Kala Political Parties CPI, CPIM, RSP, Janata Dal, S, Kala Forward Bloc with Minganing Pingsangda MPSA with election agenda kushok Rane Congress Bhavan le Khikaya. MPSA with election agendas point Tharada Chishat Chili Manipur with territorial integrity and historical boundaries secure kasa economically ngazan khamai ping wivang phagi kji right to free healthcare law enact kasa youth pingle unemployment allowance khami kacham nao pingle kala unorganized sector le od kasa nao ping wivang effective welfare scheme khami kala shimkhur kji vali secure future khira khami hi changdalai MPSA with agenda ji stately chingri ka high kala communal harmony preserve protect kala promote sara kala rakhara chingum phangawe alung hili sustainable economic growth khira mira shimkhur kji the livelihood income leng sagra the economic justice khira ra kji hila changa Congress with manifesto lila kazang Manipur hi rice production ni khalada khangarin khuikhara ainang so the farmers being we produce locally currently saro chidalai INC na Prepol Alliance Sem Kahai Manipur Progressive Secular Alliance MPSA with agenda chili constitutionally Mikahai article 371 CG pay the implement samira kachila changdalai MPSA na Shimla Kuchida safe drinking water kala uninterrupted power supply mira dala hangdalai Ari Arai Nisha Shikajin Lila Ngusungra Kajihi Party Thurugwi Alliance agenda Jili Hangsanga Election Hiwiwang Congress with Manifesto Achahon Pong Mihaira Yari na kapangkalu yaka Congress na State Hiwi Aina Armed Forces Special Powers Eki Kwishok Milak Haura Kajihi Manifesto Jili Tungishit Mihaira Shogar Ot Psychorally Shuna Wivang 1/3 reservation Haimira Kala Youth Ping Wivang Kum Kuchida Otpam Ting Hang Panganga Semira Kuchihila Congress We Manifesto Chili Sangdale Manipur We Congress Senior Election Observer Cheram Ramesh Nakahang Ajui Manifesto Hi Manipur We Survival and Revival Wivang Sem Kahaina Cheram Ramesh na BJP na Kathan Chorkali Khet Kwida Hanga BJP na hang chida khalai double engine government chida khalai chi double engine bang sa haira state rei kasangli BJP sarkar na hab khonomi haira da Cheram Ramesh na hanga Former Chief Minister Okram Ipobi Singh na kahang Congress na manifesto chi yang gazak ningchang aina sem ka haina kaja tuinga shit milaga mong shung miaka yarina kathana bingle shitkasang shiman haura kajihi hanga Congress with manifesto chili Manipur Regiment State Forest Development Corporation Manipur Trade Center Manipur Staff Selection Commission Lotak Lake Research and Training Center Manipur Cultural Diversity Policy Flood and Irrigation Master Plans higatathala changdalai Jainang soda rice production le Manipur hi khalata khangarin ngaleng sang sagra la 2022 to 27 we aina multiple cropping promote sara the party china hanga Tharaman kala kan khana audio pingwe aman kaka hi check sakbai value added tax rates la manage sara kala hill district kuchida wivang Imphal case house semira kuchila Congress quick manifesto chili changdalai Aya with DSO report atishuda Ukrul district COVID positive miyaka samphanga. Ariri Mingchan sada take a high active case tomrada mati lay the chia. COVID second wave khara hili Ukrul district COVID positive samphanga high hi. Aya we akha chizang laga thinka shajiko hang mati da akha kashung haira. Lot leader kamataya pauping. Election Commission with team Akhama stately umzangkidalay. All Manipur Christian Organization AMCO na Election Commissions of India le policy thaira. Chief Minister Nongthambam Biren Singh na aya awi nomination file sahaira. Achu pau henang chang haira pau ngana da claim na tum psycho relating pa kala khama haya Zimik sa serano.